Once again, I bring you another set of keyboard shortcuts which will convert your inputs into smiley emoji face in Microsoft Outlook. So howdy everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. In this video, you will learn 6 keyboard shortcuts to insert smiley emoji face in your Outlook. The first option is the common one, everybody knows it, which is I simply type colon and close parentheses. That will automatically convert my inputs into a smiley face. The second one is hotkeys. Hotkeys are the combination of window and period. When I click window and period, that will open a small dialog box on my screen and you will see the search bar over here. Here you have to simply type smile, and when you type smile, you will see few options of emoji here. You will simply select any one of it. I like this because this is a slightly smiling face. Select this and hit enter, and you will see your emoji is entered in the Outlook board where your cursor is blinking. So you can also open this same dialog box using window and semicolon. There are two options to open this window. First is window period and second is window semicolon. So the third option is ASCII code. That's a code which will allow you to simply enter on your screen and that code will be converted into a smiley face. The code is 1F60A and you have to simply hit Alt X and you will see your code is converted into a smiley face. But in this case, you have to remember one thing, the alphabet you entered, F and A, must be on the uppercase. The fourth option is copy and paste. For that, you can use that smiley face from any other document or you can also copy the smiley face from Google. So here I already entered smiley emoji in Google and I have tons of options here. Simply click your mouse right button, copy image, again go to your Outlook, simply you hit Control V to paste it. Or you can also use your mouse right button to paste this emoji over here. You can also adjust the size by dragging the corners. Let's look comfortably and fit on your screen. The fifth option is stock images. That's an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Outlook. So here to open this stock images, you have to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt N N S. That will directly open the dialog box of stock images. Here you will see the search icon. Simply type smile and you will again get few black and white options of smiley faces. Only you have to do is to simply select any one of it. I select the first one, hit insert. That will insert your black and white emoji on your screen. Again, you can resize it using the corners. Drag from your mouse and you can very simply resize with your content. The sixth option is online pictures. Once again, that's an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Outlook. Simply hit Alt and PO. That will once again open the dialog box of online pictures. It's a product of powered by Bing. You will again enter the smiley emoji. Hit enter. You will get few options here, the colorful and beautiful options here. Select any of it. I select the first one. Simply hit insert. These are 6 keyboard shortcuts you can use to insert smiley emoji in Microsoft Outlook. So if you have learned something new from this video or you have learned a specific keyboard shortcut which you have never seen before to insert smiley face in this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.